How to make quiz videos for TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make quiz videos for TikTok. In this tutorial, we will be using Canva. In your Canva homepage, click on Videos among the icons right here. Canva will then show a list of easy to assemble videos, and one of which is the TikTok video. Click on this and Canva will redirect you to the editing page with a blank canvas in the exact TikTok dimension. Here, navigate to the design section and search for quiz template. Canva will give you suggestions, so just click on one that you prefer. Once applied to your canvas, modify the elements according to your liking. Since I like the design already, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Then, change the question and change the answers as well. Once all are modified, let's duplicate this page and delete the question and the answers elements until the bottom half is empty. Then, click on the text icon and select Add a Heading. In this slide, type in the correct answer to the question from the previous slide. You may modify the font and the text color as you wish. And that's it. All you have to do now is to make as many quizzes as you like and save this file as an MP4 file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!